Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, all of you? Now we start some introduction about the logarithm. Is your chapter number 3 in your book. Okay. What is logarithm? Who invented it? What is the table of logarithm? Okay. We will discuss in our today lesson. First Muslim scientist Khwarizmi. Okay. This is the inventor of the algebra. Okay. And is the prominent Muslim scientist first. The first give the idea of logarithm. Okay. Second one is John Napier in 1550 to 1670 is the durations and father of the logarithm. Okay, known as father of the logarithm. George Berge, Swiss mathematician. Okay, and developed the anti-logarithm table. Okay, first Khwarizmi chose the logarithm table and developed the Swiss mathematician developed the anti-logarithm table. Okay, what is log and what is anti-logarithm? We will discuss in our tables. What is logs? Okay, logs actually there are two breakouts of the two words logos and arithmetics. Okay, it is the sum Latin words. Logos means ratio and arithmos means number. Okay, so here we can say that the logarithm is a combination of two words. Okay, the logarithm were originally developed to the simplify complex arithmetic calculation. Complex arithmetic calculation means there are the number of the so many digits. They were designed to transfer multiplicative process into additive ones. Okay, how do we convert the multiplication in addition and division into subtraction? Okay, and the second one of our class, in the first seem like a too big deal, then try the multiplying. Suppose this number is 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 9, 1. There are very large digit number, and also the 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. It is large. Without calculator, it is very difficult to calculate it. Okay, so we clearly that it is a lot easier to add these two number. Okay, आसानी से उसको add कर सकते हैं as compared to multiplication. Okay? Similarly, today we of course we have the calculator and scientific notation to deal with the such large number. So at the first glance, it would be seen that the logarithm have a very become absolute. Okay, have a become absolute. How? Indeed, that there would be absolute except for one very important property of logarithm. Okay, it is called the power property. We learn about in the another lesson, and we need the only to observe that it is an extremely important part of solving. In किस तरह हमें code को solve करना है? How to be any question, multiplication or large number digit number multiplication and division convert into log form, and then we solve by the using of logarithm. Okay, ये सब discuss करेंगे. Now, our first job क्या है? Try to make some sense of logarithm. है क्या logarithm? And how to calculate and what is the steps of solving. Definition of logarithm. Suppose b greater than 0, b not equal to 1. There is a number p such that log n is equal to p. Okay, how to read it? If and only if b raised to p is equal to n, b raised to p is equal to n. So this log form is converted into exponential form. B raised to p is equal to n. Similarly, now a mathematician understands exactly what the means, but many of students is left sketching their heads how. The first and perhaps the most important steps in our understanding logarithm is to realize that they always relate back to the exponential equation. Exponential equation, you must be able to convert an exponential equation into logarithm form and vice versa. Means log convert into exponential and exponential convert into log form. So let's get a lot of practice with this. First, example 1. 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8 in a log form. This is one is the exponential form. Solution. It can be written in the form of log of base 8 is equal to 3. So we read as the log of base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. It is logarithmic form. Similarly, 4 square 16 in log form. Solution is that log 16 of base 4 is equal to 2. So you read as log base 4 of 16 is equal to 2 because 4 square is equal to 16. Now example next. 2 raised to power minus 1, 3, 1 upon 8. There are negative exponent. So it can be written as 1 upon 8 in reciprocal form. Solution that log 1 upon 8 minus 3 read as log base 2 of 1 upon 8 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So now it is time for you to try some on your own. Okay. Now 7 square 49. 7 square 49. Okay. Yes, Nayab. What it is logarithm form and how to it is expressed in log form. Yes. Yes. Just read it. Okay, Saira. Yes, ma'am.
Log 49 to the base 2 is equals to 7.
Log 49 of base 2 is equal to 7. Correct. Okay. Look here. Okay. Similarly, next 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Who will give answer? Just raise your hand. Then I will invite. 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Yes. So here. Okay. Just give answer. So here.
Tan log 1 base 0 is equals to 5.
Log 1 of base 0 is equal to 5. Okay. Correct. So it is answer becomes log 1 is equal to 0 of base 5. Now next 10 raised to power minus 2 upon 1 upon 100. Okay. Same here. Now how to express in log form? Yes. Give the answer. Yes. You, Larif. Yes. You don't unmute me or mic. Yes. Any other? Log 1 upon 100 is equal to base of this. Okay. So here,
Yes, sir.
just give the answer.
Log log 1 by 100 is equals to 10
Yeah,
base
is
2.
equal to
10 base minus 2.
base. Yes. Log 1 upon 100. Okay. Base 10 is equal to minus 2. Okay. These were the some examples of convert expression. Okay. Finally, write 16 raised to power 1 upon 4 is equal to 4. In logarithmic form, we can say that log 4 is equal to half of base 16. Okay. So it is also very important to be able to start with a logarithm expression and change it is into exponential form. This is simply the reverse of what we just did. Okay, reverse means now convert the log form into exponential form. Log 81 is equal to 4. How do we convert into exponential form? Look here. 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 1. Okay, 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 81. Okay, 3 is a base, 4 is exponent, and 81 is its value. Now, log 1 upon 8 base 2 minus 3. Okay, what is its answer? Yes, Saira, Nuzef, anyone? Yes, give the answer. Yes, Saira.
2 pi minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8.
Raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay, good. Correct? Okay. Similarly, next. Now you try these next 3 examples. Yes, Nuzef. Log 100 is equal to 2. Okay. Yes. Yes, Nuzef.
Sir, 10 to the power of 2 is equals to 100.
Yes, good. 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 100. Okay. Next.
Sir, pi
Yes.
power minus 3 is equals to 1.25.
1 upon, not 1 point. Log.
1 upon 25.
Yes. Okay. Good. Log 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 of base 27. Okay. क्या होगा नेक्स्ट आपके पास? Yes. Just give the answer. Who will give? Yes,
3 power
Naiva.
3
Yes,
is equal to 27.
yes,
3
correct.
power 3 is equal to 27.
3 raised to power. No. 3 is equal 1 upon. Yes. Who will give correct answer?
Sir, 27 the power 3 is equals to 1 upon 3.
27.
Power 3 is equals to 1 upon
No, no,
1
no.
upon 3.
No, no. Some mistakes. Yes, no.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, no.
7 raised to the power 1 upon 3 is equals to 3.
Yes, 27 raised to power 1 upon 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now, log 100 is exponential form. So we write, okay, similarly here, it is some examples already we discussing. Okay. Log 3 is equal to 1 upon 3, 27 raised to power 1 by 3. So we know that the logarithm is a perhaps best understanding to being a closely related to exponential equation. Okay, यानी ये हमें पता चल गया कि log is a very closely clear related to exponential equation. Whenever we get the step in the problem that follow, we will return to one simple insight. Okay, यानी log से बाहर निकल सकते हैं इनके. तो when working with the logarithmic effort, you get step. Try rewriting the problem in exponential form. And similarly, conversely, when working with the exponential expression, you get the step. Try rewriting in the problem in logarithm. यानी exponential से log की form में आ सकते हैं, log से exponential की form में दोनों सूरत में convert कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? If this simple rule can help us solve some following problems, yes, first. Now, by using exponential and problems of solving by using exponential and logarithm form. Log base 6 is equal to 2. Log base 6 of x is equal to 2. What is the value of x? तो So solution, first we rewrite in the exponential form. It can be written in the form 6 square is x, and very simple we say that x is equal to 36. Okay, this is very simple question. Second example, now log base 5 1 upon 25 is equal to y. So what is the value of y? So first we convert into exponential form, rewrite in the proper exponential form. This is exponential form 5 raised to power y, this is 1 upon 2. ठीक है, ये हम पिछली स्लाइड में अंडरस्टैंड कर चुके हैं how to we convert log into exponential form. Now 5 raised to y is equal to 1 upon 2 5. Y in variable unknown terms and in exponential form. Okay, so how we convert 1 upon 25 in 5 exponent? Look here. So 1 upon 25 can be rewrite as a 5 raised to power minus 2. So 5 raised to y is equal to 5 raised to minus 5. Their base is same, so exponent will be equal. So we can say that y is equal to minus 2. Is it clear? Any problem in all? Just raise your hand if you have any problem. Okay. Yes. Yes, Nuzaf. Yes, Nuzaf. No problem. Okay. Usman Munir. Yes.
सर ये वाला समझ में नहीं आया.
5 raised to power y, okay, is 1 upon 5. Okay, first step समझ में आ गया. It is converted into exponential form. Okay, now 1 upon 25. 1 upon 25 means 1 upon 5 square, and 5 square denominator convert to numerator, so exponent will be negative, sign will be changed to 5 raised to 1 minus 2. Okay, आई समझ में बात? Now 1 upon 25 can be written in the form 5 raised to power minus 2. Both side 5 is 5 are cancelled because base is same. So y, by comparing the exponent, y is equal to minus 2. Okay, आई समझ में बात? ये वैल्यू आ गई y is equal to minus 2. ठीक है? Okay. Log 27 base 3. Right, setting the up to like this first. Suppose it is y. यहाँ अननोन को वेरिएबल नहीं दिया था पूरी टर्म से, तो हमने खुद नाम दे दिया. गिव द नेम इज सपोज y x a etc. Okay, any number, any variable. First we convert into exponential form. 3 raised to power y is equal to 27. Okay, now again note base is same, but we write the 27 3 raised to power cube. 3 and 3 both sides are cancelled, so y becomes is equal to 3. It is the value of y. Okay, now these next two problem tends to sum of the tickets to the value. Actually they are merely identities, and use our simple rule will show what is this. First, log 7 base 7 7 square. Solution, first we write in exponential form. 7 raised to power y is equal to 7 square. Okay, यहाँ देखें already 7 it is converted into exponent form. Okay, base is same here, 7 7 to cancel to each other both side, so y becomes is equal to 2. the y is equal to 2. Okay, log से exponential में लिख लिया, और दोबारा यहाँ कोई वर्किंग ही नहीं पड़नी पड़ी because already it is in exponent form 7 square. तो वो 7 and 7 are base is same, so exponent will be equal to y is equal to 2. Then now evaluate. Look here very carefully. 4 raised to power log base 4 16. Now first suppose this is equation is equal to y. Let y. Now we write the problem in the variable with the variable in exponential form. Look here, log y is equal to log 416. कैसे हुआ ये सारा हमारे पास? ठीक है, देखिए first this is exponential form convert into log form. Base is 4, value is y and equal to log 16. Okay, इसको convert कर दिया हमने किसमें? log form में. exponential convert into log form. पहले हमने क्या करते हैं? log convert into exponential. Now exponential form convert into log form. तो जिस पीछे की हमने log base आ गया यहाँ पर आपका 4. ओके, and this term is as it is, log 4 16 is here. Now both sides, log 4 are cancelled to each other. Look here. Okay, so on left side remains y and right side is remain is 16. So y is equal to 16. Okay, एक एग्जांपल देखिए किस तरह बेस में कन्वर्ट किया, तो वही है 2 की पावर 8 हो तो उसको इस तरह लिखता है log base 8 is equal to, तो सिमिलर सेम इसी तरह हमने यहाँ उसको कैलकुलेट किया, इसी तरह मेंशन किया. ठीक, क्लियर? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड. ओके, यस. Now last two example, they may show you nice shortcut. First, finally we want, okay, यहाँ आपको कोई मसला है, ठीक है, they may show you a nice shortcut. ये shortcut था हमारे पास. Finally we want to take a look at the property of equality of logarithmic function. यही चीज हमने पीछे किया था equality में. क्या, given the base so same log here, देखें log base b, okay, तो डेट इज कट टू ईच अदर. ये एक प्रॉपर्टी आपके पास है जो हमने लास्ट प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन भी यूज किया. कैसे कैंसिल हुआ, इसलिए हुआ दोनों तरफ लॉग सेम है एंड सेम बेस है. अगर बेस डिफरेंट होता तो भी इसको हम कट नहीं कर सकते थे. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट x1 इज इक्वल टू x2 ओनली एंड ओनली इफ, ठीक है. बेसिकली विद द लॉगरिथम फंक्शन, इफ द बेसिस मैच ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ इक्वल साइन, देन सिंपलीफाई सेट द लॉगरिथम इक्वल. यानी अगर दोनों तरफ से हम उसको इक्वल साइड्स को वैल्यूज इक्वल हो तो लॉग इक्वल हो सकते हैं, लॉग इक्वल हो तो वैल्यूज इक्वल हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ यस उस्मान, यस उस्मान, एनी प्रॉब्लम?
सर अगर आंसर x रेज़ टू s की बेस 1 आए और दूसरे की भी एक x की बेस 1 आए तो दोनों कट हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, दोनों अगर बेस सेम है, एनी वन हो, 1 हो, 2 हो, 3 हो, एनी वन हो. ओके, इस वन दोनों अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, सिमिलर बेस होना जरूरी है लोग के लिए. ठीक है, वरना अगर सपोज यहाँ log b होता और यहाँ log a होता तो ये नो कट नहीं हो सकते. ठीक है, बिकॉज के बेस से शो करता है कि दोनों का बेस सेम है तो एक्सपोनेंट वही अभी पीछे किया ना कि द बेस इज सेम द एक्सपोनेंट विल बी इक्वल. तो सेम यहाँ पर है कि x1 एंड x2 क्या शो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, या वैल्यूज को शो कर रहे हैं. ठीक, नाउ वन इज क्वेश्चन, लुक एट, देखो अब यहाँ पे log base 3 for x plus 3. ओके, क्या होगा इसके अंदर, क्या ये log 3 कैंसिल हो सकते हैं? यस मान, ये कैंसिल हो सकते हैं. यस
हो सकते हैं सर.
Yes, because of base is same. Okay, so we write as 4x plus 10 is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now simplify it by the simple equation 4x minus x3, 1 minus 10 minus 9,
4x plus
x is equal to minus 3. Okay, x is shifted from right to left side, तो 4x minus x is equal to 3x हो गया और 10 को शिफ्ट कर दिया तो -3 divided by -3. just simplify the equation. इस तरह हमने x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर दी. ठीक है. ओके, इस तरह तमाम. सिमिलरली हियर लुक हियर अगेन, log both side are cancelled, so we write as x square minus 14 is 5 equal. Okay, और just like a quadratic equation. Okay, फिलहाल ये आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है कि how to we solve the quadratic equation. Okay, बट इस फैक्टर बनाकर हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. मिडिल टर्म, ब्रेकिंग द मिडिल टर्म. ओके, ये भी अपने नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे, हाउ टू फैक्टराइज. ओके, एंड देन वी कैलकुलेट टू वैल्यूज x इक्वल टू 7 x माइनस 2. ओके, बट इसमें सिर्फ ये बताना है, ऐसी इक्वेशन भी आ सकती है कि जिसके दो वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं, दो फैक्टर हो सकते हैं. ओके, जस्ट म्यूट योर माइक. ओके उस्मान. ओके, नाउ ठीक है, ये तमाम हमने कंडीशन आज पढ़ी है कंप्लीटली. ओके, इस तरह डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस हम कर सकते हैं. So our final concept that it is to determine why logarithm like 1 below are undefined. Yet log base 2 minus 8 है, तो can anyone give us an explanation? इसको हम कैसे क्यों नहीं निकाल सकते इस तरह के सवाल. ठीक है, बेस 2 है और पावर आ रही -3 माइनस ओके 8. ओके, because it is why undefined. Okay, anybody can be defined. क्यों undefined है? हालांकि तो ये कैलकुलेट हो सकता है एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में. ठीक है, अगर तो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में भी लिखूं तो one easy expansion is to simplify write the logarithm in exponential form. ये देख exponential form में लिखा. Okay, the exponential form क्या लिखेंगे? 2 raised to the power minus 8. Now simple my question. Any base 2 3 4 x y, okay, जिसका एक्सपोनेंट ले और आंसर माइनस में आए, 2 का स्क्वायर, देखो बेस 2 ही होना चाहिए यहाँ पर. है 2 की ऐसी कोई पावर जिसका एक्सपोनेंट ले और आंसर माइनस 8 आए? यस, एनीबडी, एनीवन? एक्सप्लेन इट. ओके, हुमैमा, सन, अरेब, सुहेब, सायरा. ओके, यस, गिव आंसर. Yes, Saira, I think your mic is not continuing.
Yes.
Yes, आप बताएं, बोले हो. Yes. Yes, Saira.
-3.
No. -3. 2 raised to the power -3. No. It will be 1/8 हो जाएगा. 1/2 क्यूब करेंगे तो 2 के पावर -3 means 1/2 क्यूब. Okay. Anyone? सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट मैं बता देता हूँ अगर नहीं आ रहा आपको, बट इट कॉन्सेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. Look here. Now take it out the logarithmic form and write in the exponential form. What power of 2 would give us -8? 2 का स्क्वायर करे 4 आएगा, 2 का क्यूब करे 8 आएगा, 2 की पावर 4 करें 16 आएगा. ओके, और अगर एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव लें तो नॉट पॉसिबल. तो सो इन मैथमेटिक्स नो एनी नंबर इन रियल नंबर, कोई ऐसा नंबर है ही नहीं, ओके, जिसको हम 2 का एक्सपोनेंट ले और आंसर माइनस रियल में. ओके, सो 2 क्यूब इज इक्वल 1/8 और 2 राइज टू -3 is 1/8. ओके, hence the expression of this type are undefined, इसीलिए इसको कहते हैं undefined. ओके, इसको हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? ओके, बिकॉज के 2 क्यूब 1/8 होता है और 2 के माइनस 1/8. ठीक है, तो -8 किसी सूरत में आ ही नहीं सकता. ओके, इट्स मीन सिंपल से दैट कि हम वी कांट टेक द लॉग ऑफ एनी नेगेटिव नंबर, यानी किसी नेगेटिव नंबर का हम लॉग कैलकुलेट कर ही नहीं सकते. इज अनडिफाइंड फॉर्म. ओके, ठीक. So these the main points today. Logarithm are the power of a number to the specified. Exponential form can be converted into logarithm form, vice versa. Okay, second is the logarithm convert multiplication into addition and division into subtraction. Okay, okay, this is your today homework. Just exercise 3.2 your exercise, notebook exercise, question 4 5 and 6 related to exponential form and logarithmic form. Okay, this is your final. Okay, next time inshallah we will explain the law of logarithm, okay, and application of logarithm in the next exercise. Is it clear to all? Okay, anyone any problem to last? Okay. No? Okay. Yes, Ali, Saad Ali, Harid, Ali, Larib. Okay, anyone? Muiz? Yes, good. Just raise your hand. Okay. Yes. Okay. Nayab, Saira Majid. Okay, good. Okay, Allah Hafiz.